Hello and welcome to MnTTreasures. Today I have a very quick one for you. I have that dreaded 2020 illness that went around, and it is accompanied by a sinus infection, so I am not going to stay long. I am doing a Valentine's gnome. I recently picked up some of those sweetheart candies that have the little messages and sayings on them, and I specifically picked them up to put them in some of my resin projects coming up. I have some Let's Resin mixed up, and I'm just pouring it into his hat only at this point. It is just about up to the rim of his hat. Give it a little spray of isopropyl alcohol. I thought it might be cute if I took those resin hearts, they're not resin hearts, they're candy hearts, and put them in the resin. So I thought it would be cute if I put it in his hat. This will also help bring the resin level up a little bit higher. That's why I didn't fill it all the way to the rim, and the rim is uneven all the way around the hat anyway because it goes higher where his nose is. So I think by putting the candy hearts in there, it's going to raise up the level of the resin anyway, so it's almost where it needs to be. It'll be close. I'm just trying to get as many in there as I can, make sure I don't have any empty spaces. There's going to be some empty spaces, I'm sure. It's got a pointed hat, so you can't avoid it. But here we are, all set up overnight, and it doesn't look bad. Some of the words on the candy kind of smudged. Oops, and I can't hold on to it. So yeah, we have some smudges. I don't know, we have something going on. I'm gonna take some Satori White from Eye Candy pigment paste and put it into my Let's Resin that I already have mixed up. And I'm just going to pour the body. I'm just gonna pour them solid white for the rest of the way. And then I'll just spruce him up at the end where it's needed. I'm trying here, but the struggle is real. It is almost filled up, but not quite enough. Womp womp. So I have to make up just a little bit more resin. I'm going to pour a little bit more of the Let's Resin into my cup and grab a little bit more of my Eye Candy Satori White pigment paste, mix that up, and I'll be back to pour that in there and fill it up. Alright, round 2. This should do it. I'm going to finish pouring my little gnome. Get him all filled up. Get just enough to get a little bit of a dome. Not too much because he is a little uneven. He tips a little bit, even though he's on a flat surface. So he might be cut a little uneven. I don't know. I'll scrape the rest of that out of my cup, and I will get that set aside for the night and cured up and be back to demold him tomorrow. All right, time to demold. How do you think it went? I don't know either. Let's find out together. Get him peeled back. Hopefully he's not going to be too difficult. He's nice and cool, so I'm not worried about losing the end of his hat or anything like that. And just flip this mold the right way out and take a look at him. All right, he looks pretty good. I'm not mad. Yeah, look at how much he smudged, though, on those words. I'm gonna have to figure out how to cover those up or fix them somehow. All right, so I'm gonna break out my brand new set of acrylic markers from Resin. I have a discount code in my description if you want to get your hands on these markers. This will be my first time using them. I'm so excited. It's the big jumbo pack. Got 136 colors in there. Acrylic markers that will work perfectly on our resin pieces. So let's hope. I get some markers that just don't cover anything. You have to really fight. Even a Sharpie sometimes. Sharpie just doesn't do anything either. Ooh, lots of colors to pick from. Ooh. All right. Wow. Okay. Let me grab my gnome, and I'm going to hold my gnome up here and try to find a color that corresponds well with it. I want to do the rim of his hat, his nose. I have to fill in his beard a little bit and his feet. So let's find some colors. So I've picked out the white, the tan, and a blue. I'm going to fast forward through this because it does take me quite a bit of time to do it. So you will be on a fast forward. I definitely cannot work that fast. I wish I could. It would make life so much easier just to zip through like that. Some tan on his nose and some blue that kind of matched the heart in his hat. Some really good colors to pick from. I just wanted to make sure they all matched. And I'm going to do his feet in that same blue. And now that he's all painted up, I need to cover up that heart. Now, I don't know what I was going to use. A butterfly? No, not really. The bow. I liked the blue bow, but it didn't match the blue that I used for the acrylic marker. The heart was okay. I really liked the heart on the feet, but it stuck out too much. If they were like flat heart stickers, I would have used them on the feet, definitely. The yellow looks good. I like the yellow. All right, I'm going to use the yellow. I'm going to grab my B7000 glue, slather some on the back of my bow, and stick it over that smudgy heart. And that's all I'm doing. I'm tired. I don't feel good. I want to go lay down. So that's it for this project. I'll glue that on there. We'll call it a wrap, and I will get some final pictures and put those up there. I want to thank you for sticking by, watching, and putting up with my nasally congested, scratchy sounding voice. I think he looks pretty good, all things considered. What do you think? Thanks for watching.